So these clear meatballs, they're really easy to make, but they start off by just chopping up a bunch of ingredients. So I have about 6 shiitake mushrooms that I'm going to rehydrate and then eventually chop up. I'm going to put in about a half of a big daikon radish that I'm going to grate, as well as about 2 carrots. Now you can actually put in some like meat crumbles in here as well, so feel free to add that in, but we're just gonna start with those main ingredients first. So we had the main veggies there, and now for kind of the Chinese trinity, which is your garlic, your ginger, and your scallions. So we're just gonna get all that into nice fine pieces. So now you just want to toast up, or you can add in some oil and then fry up some of the ingredients. Really, it's just to toast it, get some of the, nice toasty aromas out. I'd say like 3 minutes or so, and it also gives the ingredients a chance to dry out a little bit and then have more of a concentrated flavor, and then you can add it straight to the filling. some points to note here is that these balls really didn't want to come together. I think once they're steamed and you activate the starch, it starts sticking together. But initially in this stage, it kind of wanted to break apart. So you can kind of see that it was loosely like that. And then you want to steam it for about 10 minutes on medium high. If you kind of do it too long or too intensely, sometimes it puts more water into the meatballs, and then it kind of makes it fall apart. So you're kind of trekking a line here, right around 10 minutes. And then if it falls apart, like some of mine did, you just take like a fork or like a spoon, and you just kind of smush it back together again until it hardens as the starch cools. So you'll get voila, something like this. They are somewhat gelatinous.